Hello and welcome back guys. In today's video we are going to make our NPM package real quick, and this video is going to be really fast. First of all, we have to make a folder to store our code. So for now I'm going to make a folder called calculator, and I cannot spell calculator, so don't worry, I've got another idea. I will name it CALC. Alright, so now let me open this folder so that we can do our things. And by the way, we are going to make an NPM package, also known as node. So we will do control tilde to open our terminal. And first of all, we will do npm init -y. Don't do -y. Instead, let's do different stuff. So first of all, the thing will ask us to give a cool name. So I can name it something like calculator, and then I can press enter. The version will be this, and description will be something like do some calculation. Enter, and then entry point will be the location of our main file. And for now, let's do it index.js, and then test command. Let's just ignore that. We don't really care about that. And you can provide a git repository if you want, but I don't really want to do that. And then for keywords, you can do something like calc, stuff, and things, you know what I'm saying. And author can be me, and license will be ISE, or you can do MIT if you want. Well, I am not really going to suggest you what license to use. Please read about it, because you know, legal stuff and you know, man, things. So now our thing is ready. So what we have to do is, first of all, we have to create our entry point file, the index.js, and we have to export our main function. For now, this will be an calculator, so we will do module.exports is equals to a function called calculator, and then it will have some stuff like. And now let's add some documentation, because documentation is really important, because that's how people do most of stuff, right? So first of all, we have to provide the type. I will give it a number type, and it will be the first number, the sum of the two numbers. Pretty simple. Well, I should have named it sum instead of calculator, but who cares? The spelling of the calculator is wrong as well, but we don't really care about that. We will just do return a plus b. So guys, this is just a simple example. So our code is done. Now what we have to do is, we have to do npm publish. That's all we have to do, and our thing is ready. That's all we have to do. Our code is published, and now our package exists. We have to just go on npm.js, and I really hate that I published this thing. I should have not do that, but we did it. Who cares? Let's go. I mean, like, it will be here somewhere. Alright, you can see it. I mean, like, I cannot pronounce that thing, man. Calcucatororo or something. But everything is ready, guys. So as you can see, our package is published, and you can see I didn't edit an readme.file, but let me show you how you can do that. We can just make readme.md, and we can say stuff like, hello, this is a test package for a tutorial on YouTube, and I don't know. Well, that's it. And now what we have to do is, you cannot just do npm publish once more for adding an update or something like that. For that case, you have to change the version. See, it gave us an error. We will do npm version, and we can change the version to 1.0.1, and then we can just do npm publish once more, and bam, the thing is published. I mean, like, it will be published in a couple of seconds, and you can see that's how we update our stuff. Alright, so you can see it added the thing. It says HEL. That's all you have to do, and your packaging is done in just 5 minutes.